how to add a profile picture on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to personalize your Yelp profile, well, here is how to add or change your profile picture in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the Me tab, which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here, once you see the interface like this, to change or add your profile picture, you can just tap on the profile icon or the profile picture at the top. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu with a list of all your saved photos will appear. So here you can simply scroll through the photos and select the one that you want to add as your profile picture. And here, once you have selected it, you can confirm it by tapping on OK. But if you want to give it a name, you can give it that too. And with that, I'm going to simply tap on OK. And here, once you tap on OK, you have successfully added the profile picture, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.